Fit right here, lifestyle, has been doing some incredible work. So make sure you subscribe to his channel, see what's going on, see the latest video. He's coming up with some new stuff that you guys are going to like. So subscribe and see Will Fit Lifestyle.
Ini kau business man, kau scooter business Why are you doing? I want to mix like that. So this is the king's front yard and his castle. Yeah, the king, he lives there. Is they there now? Huh? Is there now? Yeah. No, I don't think so. That's the king's castle. Yeah. And this is his front yard. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we're just walking through. So it's pretty open for people. We had long hair back in the day. Good. Yeah. Yeah, you're going down? Yeah. Okay. One, two, Tesla youth. The taxi. Nah, make no nice though. Quiet. Let's make it a little prips around there.
I just say 3 different hotels there. You know, to reach as usual. I fish, you know, give you a little show in the room and put on the room, the hotel name and thing, you know. Darking. Alright. Room tour. Alright, so I want to go one microwave first on this. I want to go one microwave, I'm going to hold the vibes. No, nothing. So, can cook and thing. If they have nothing for cook, that'd be nice. But, wow, I like a fridge. Cool down the temperature. But, okay. No, sir. A baby bathroom. No, sir. I see we are traveling. Yo, make the camera too close and I get to see. Wait me, I'll show you that, sir. Yo, this baby in. That's I'm gonna catch up this somewhere you can really see. How I can put this here? Alright, drop it now. Come on, it now. It can show you, sir. Let's see. How you going there? Phone don't drop it now. Nice. Yeah, fridge business. Lock up. So. Hopefully that catches properly. My bag them may reach already. I'm supposed to have a room with somebody that trip up. Why? No, for an athlete, I give them that bed. The bed a little bit more sturdy and comfortable. So for an athlete. And then if I hold the bed, my G, I can hold the bed and comfortable and go run the race or jump or whatever. So I just hold the quarters around it, so, you know, more spacious, I can put on my bed if anything. You see me? That's what I like. I'm not stress out myself. That's not stress it, that's ease with it. You know, because I don't know, say, you know, athletes, I'm in a day where just support them, so make them comfortable and go out there and perform and put on a show and bring more money into the sport and thing. Yeah, so I give a little viewings of me. The balcony. The road worker go on outside there. You know. I'm gonna try to spruce up the thing. Yeah. Over the Beverly Hills. You can zoom in. What rotting? Hey, open up my nothing no. In the office space and I can see. Yeah, so yeah. As I said, hopefully you can catch me good. So we're there again. OSLO. Let's see if we can put on a show, you know. See if we can put on a show. We took some different approach this season with our meets, so we'll go and stuff like that. People might see it and think, oh this, oh that, but we're trying something different. We're trying to run fast, down more in the season, right? Right at them time there. So that's what we'll try. We'll try to see if we can time it as best as we can. Not just running fast and I forgot whatever, but I try to time it first. Get a burst and just hold that burst for a certain amount of time and length of time. See if we can qualify our trials comfortably and on to the Olympics, stuff like that. So take a different approach. Yeah, so there is me Diamond League. Hopefully it goes well. As you seen at the last vlog, then we are training good. We are training on some Pacific, so we will take time and cut to the race. So we not reach to the full 100 meter in our training, but we will take time and get there. I get closer and closer to it. So yeah, as you can see, the meets 10 meters, 20, 25 meters, so and so, so and so. You see, we are take time, get closer and closer. So that's the trend we want to try to keep. But hopefully things just go right and we take time, get a little closer. And by trials and then by Olympics, have everything together. So, you know, we're working, share the videos, and we are trying. I try our best. Stay tuned. I'm there, stay there, I'm need to check in and make you see. There's a good spot where I go on, you know, a bed there. Pop over there, so I warm up and thing. You know. See the real VIP them about that room also over there, so they comfort in my bedroom and you can see me. I don't know if for this side I'm going to use or the next side, you know. But if we look over this, if a multiple side, it look like other side of them I use still.